Cleaning your hands the right way can help you avoid illness and stop the spread of germs. Start by wetting your hands under running water. Add enough soap to lather all surfaces of your hands. For at least 20 seconds, scrub all over your palms, the backs of your hands, between your fingers, and under your nails. Try humming or singing Happy Birthday twice to know about how long to wash. Then, rinse your hands under running water and turn the faucet off using a clean paper towel. When you aren't near soap and water, use a hand sanitizer that contains at least 60% alcohol. Rub all over your palms, the backs of your hands, and between the fingers until your hands are dry. Younger kids will need help cleaning their hands, and older kids and teens still need reminders for doing it the right way.